So if you're trying to figure out how to make money with Amazon product review videos, then this video is for you. At the time of recording this video, I posted over 1,600 product review videos on Amazon and made over $5,000 in my first 3 months with product reviews by simply reviewing products around my house. So for example, I made a review video of my home printer, and in the first 30 days, it made me $148. And since then, every month, it's made me over $100. It's literally the most simple way to make money online right now, but there's a handful of steps involved. And so in this video in particular, I want to cover 3 things. 1, how exactly you can make money by reviewing products around your house. Okay. 2, what you should know before actually getting started on this process. Just a few things I want to pass on to you after doing it for some time. And then number 3, what the first few steps you should take to get started with Amazon product review videos. Now, first off, my name is Mkkellar. This is a brand new channel. And if you like videos like this, and if you want to continue to learn about different ways to make money on Amazon, I'm going to continue to post every week. All you have to do is just hit the like button and subscribe so I know that it's working for you, and I'll continue to post to help you out. So out of all the different ways you can make money on Amazon, this one is by far the most unique and the most highly leveraged opportunity. Let me explain. So you can resell products on Amazon, or whether they are your own products or branded products, that's going to be Amazon FBA or Amazon FBM. You could do the print on demand program, which is all about selling your own logos or graphic designs on t-shirts or mugs, or you can get into the whole Amazon selling book game, whether that's reselling books from a thrift store or your own house, or creating your own book or printables or PDFs or guides or whatever it is. But reviewing products is going to be under the affiliate marketing program, which is all about referring products for other people to buy on and off Amazon. The difference between the two is the affiliate program is referring products off Amazon. Like, you have to have your own website or blog, but the Amazon influencer program, and that's technically what it's called, by no means necessary do you have to have a large social media following to get in, but that's just what it's called. But the Amazon influencer program is going to be all about referring products for people to buy on Amazon's website. So basically, you review a product by creating a product review video. You do not have to show your face, but with that video, you're going to upload it onto Amazon, and it's going to appear on the product page for someone to see. Okay, I'm going to get to that in a second. But what's crazy about this is every month, Amazon has 2.3 billion visitors going onto their site. And so normally you have to have a large social media following or drive a lot of traffic to your own website or blog or Instagram or whatever it is to get a lot of exposure. But with this program, it's almost like as if you have a huge, large social media following. You're basically using Amazon's massive traffic source to your own benefit. All you have to do is review products. The easiest thing ever, okay? And you can literally get started with so many products around your house, all right? I literally remember the day where I passed $100 a day with commissions and product reviews, and I still had so many more products to review around my house, all right? So that's how it's so unique. Now, let me explain exactly how you do make money with a product review video. It's 3 easy steps, okay? First thing, you review a product. Talk about what you like, what you don't like, how you use the product, what you use it for, XYZ. This is anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes long, okay? Not super long. You can show your face. You don't have to show your face. You can use your webcam on your camera. You can use the camera on your laptop. You can use your phone. I usually do about 60% my phone, 40% my computer, all right? But you create a product review video. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copy. Upload that onto Amazon, and then you're going to tag that specific product. And so when you upload that video, it's going to appear right on the product page. And there's usually 2 spots where it's going to be placed, either at the top or the bottom. At the top, it's going to be on the last photo spot on the product page. So typically products on Amazon have 6 photos that they have, but what they can do is have a 7th spot for review videos. So it can be a video from the brand, but more so it is where product review videos from Amazon influencers are placed. And so that's where it's going to be placed, there or at the bottom, depending on how many videos are already on the product page. And then step number 3, the best step of the whole process is when someone wants to buy that product, they're going to search for it. They're going to watch your video. And then after they watch your video and they buy the product, you get a commission, you get paid. And it's going to be a percentage based on the overall product price. That's how it works. But the beauty of this is you take like 2 or 3 minutes to review a product and you place it on that product page. It can be on there indefinitely. And so like you're building these massive amounts of streams of income with these product review videos. That's how I think about it, because that really is the case. And like I said, because there's a huge like traffic source, and it has a lot of congruency. Okay. You have people wanting to buy the product and they are eager and they have your review video. And so it is matched. It's a perfect match. And that's how you can leverage product review videos. You can honestly build up this massive stream of income with these videos by placing them on Amazon. And there's no max, there's no ceiling, there's no caps on how much you can earn. Pretty amazing. So for example, let's say you wanted to buy a ice cream machine that you can use to make ice cream at home. You're going to go onto Amazon and type in home ice cream machine, and you're going to see a few products. Let's say that you pick on this one from the company Ninja, and then you look at the videos and you're like, wow, I just watched this video. This guy clearly explains the product well. I'm convinced he did a great job. I want to buy the product. You buy the product and I earn a commission from your purchase. Okay. That's the beauty of it. And between me and you, I reviewed this Ninja ice cream machine maker like 6 months ago, and I'm still making money from this one review video. Okay. That is how easy it is. I hope that makes sense. If not, comment down below and I'll answer. Now, I want to give you 3 suggestions on things I wish I knew before getting started with product reviews. Just a few handy things that you should honestly know. The first thing is to know you do not need to buy any products to get started. You can do pretty well with all the products inside of your house. I promise you that. So like, for example, I think I got up to about 200 product review videos before even thinking of reviewing anything else, because those are just products inside of my house. All right. And I really just went from room to room to room until I reviewed every single item. Okay. And the beauty of that is, one, I just naturally got better because I was reviewing so many products. So it was a lot easier as time went by. And 2, I could see what products did really, really well and which ones did not. All right. But after you review everything in your house, then you should go to your parents' house, your brother's house, your sister's house, your friend's house. Like, try to treat this as a $0 cost startup as much as you can. It's all about leverage, the leverage game. And by just doing that, you're going to have little, if not zero, any cost or any expenses, and it's all going to be profit. And a quick tip is start off with bigger products like furniture items or cabinets, chairs, mattresses. Why? Because those products are typically bigger. It costs more to ship those items. They're priced higher, and that means you're going to earn a larger commission for those higher priced items. Tip number 2 is to remember it's all about volume and consistency. It's really that simple. Okay. You do a lot of volume and you stay consistent with it over an extended period of time. Just remember that you need to set realistic expectations. It's not going to be an overnight win. It's not going to be over a week or even a month. Okay. It's going to be over many weeks and many months, but you're building this compounding asset that's just going to grow larger and larger and pay you more and more as you review more products. Okay. That's really the beauty of it. So you're really trading in 1 unit of work for a return tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day after that. So it's really just a volume game, doing as much volume as you can and learning how to stay consistent with just one thing over an extended period of time. Okay. And not giving up after the first month or even 2 or 3 months. Okay. So let's say you're ready to start making money with reviewing products and you're wondering, what are the first steps? The first and biggest hurdle is going to be actually getting into the Amazon Influence Program. It's actually not that big of a hurdle, but there's just a lot of confusion because it's broken up into 2 different parts. The first part is you need to apply with the social media channel. You need to have either a Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or a YouTube channel. All right. You need to apply with one of those channels and you're going to get either accepted immediately or rejected. And it's all going to be based on your overall engagement, not the number of followers or likes or even how many posts you have. It's engagement. All right. And I know you're wondering, like, what exactly does engagement mean? Like, what does that actually look like as far as like getting it increased? I'm going to leave a video linked above where I explain 9 different steps to take to increase your engagement and get accepted into the influencer program with any social media channel. And then once you're in, the second part is getting approved for on-site commissions, which involves submitting 3 review videos for someone to either approve or deny. But you only have 3 chances. And if you get rejected each time, then you're going to have to reapply it all over again. All right. I'm going to leave a separate video linked above where I explain how to get approved for on-site commissions, the best tips. But also, I have a free training that I'm going to leave linked down below in the video description where I explain this whole process and the live training that you can register for, and also join my Facebook group if you have any more questions about getting into the program, or even if you're inside the program, what to do next, or even if you've been reviewing products but your earnings are stagnated, then I'll help you out there. And so just join into my Facebook group and I'll be able to answer your questions specifically depending on where you're at. So I hope that all made sense and cleared the air as far as how you make money with product reviews, what you should know before getting started, and a few suggestions on how to get started and the beginning steps to take. But if this video has been helpful for you, hit the like button, subscribe. And if you're still wondering how you get approved into the influencer program, I have this video right here where I explain it in more depth and a few things that you can start applying right now to get yourself accepted and approved into the program. Guaranteed, I'll see you there.